Greetings, my name is John Arrasjid. In this video, I will show how Runecast technology can benefit a virtual infrastructure upgrade. When considering an upgrade, there are two approaches that can be taken. The traditional approach focuses on vendor-specific considerations, while a proactive approach extends this through an automated process that looks at additional sources of information, providing upgrade recommendations. There are a number of challenges with the traditional approach. Examples include large amounts of information from multiple sources, the complexity of cascading issues, concerns with taking advantage of additional sources of upgrade information, and the impact to the business due to potential missed steps. The proactive approach includes an upgrade readiness assessment. It also includes a compliance assessment. And finally, it includes a simulation of the upgrade. Let's start at the main Runecast Analyzer page. To run a simulation, I choose the hardware compatibility option. I then select vCenter and ESXi servers for simulation. Here you can see they are currently in compliance with the HCL. Next, I enable simulation mode. I then select ESXi 6.7 Update 3 to choose as the target for the upgrade. I press the Simulate button to begin the simulation. When done, we see issues across all ESXi servers. We'll select the first server for details. This server shows an issue marked in the vSAN Devices tab. Let's click on this tab for more information. Here we see there's an issue with the HP Smart Array, specifically firmware version 6.6. We also see the current incompatible driver and the supported driver. To see the corresponding HCL information online, click on the symbol to the right of the first box I've outlined, now marked with a circle. This takes us to the vSAN HCL page, where we see compatible driver and firmware combinations for the device. For your next steps, try a 14-day unlimited trial using the code TRYHCL on the runecast.com/promo site. To schedule a deep dive demo, please email innovate@runecast.com. Thank you for joining this Runecast presentation.